my loves, Cyn Doll here, coming at you with another video. In this video we are going to do my quarantine self-maintenance thing, so let's get started. First I'm gonna look at all of these little blemishes and stuff on my face. Aunt Flo is about to be in town, so your girl's face is kind of breaking out a little bit, and I also have a lot of hair on it and I'm gonna get it off. Now I'm just kidding. Actually I'm gonna give myself a facial, and for the perfect detox facial I need to make sure that all of this hair and extra dead skin is off of my face. Now you guys know how I feel about like shaving your face with a straight razor. Like at home it's not safe for you guys to do, and it takes off a little bit too much skin, but in this case it's a little different, okay, because we're only dealing with the first layer of skin, and actually not even your like skin that's still living the dead stuff. So as I'm going, you guys can see like black stuff, and that's a mixture of like the dead skin coming up and extra little hairs and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you can see that big old little glob of stuff. Lord. But anywho, getting all of this off of my face, and like I said, it's just gonna make it so this facial gets to do everything that it wants to do without anything blocking it or getting in its way. And it's exactly what I needed at this time, because things are so crazy out here in these streets. But I'm lying, because I'm an introvert, I'm a Cancer, so I like to be in the house anyway. Like, I like people, but I don't like people. You know what I mean? Like being around people. So yeah. Anywho, I'm just going to get all of this hair off of my face, and then when I get done I'll be back, because if not I'll just be sitting here talking to you. So I'll be back in a minute. Minute is up. Hello. But I just wanted to mention to you guys that with my eyebrows, I'm not like trying to shape them or anything, but my eyebrows are thick, y'all. They be looking like centipedes on my face, and they be acting like they want to connect sometimes. So I'm just getting all the extra little stubbles off, and then at the bottom I'm not trying to give myself an arch or nothing, but sometimes the hair on my eyebrows, I feel like it tries to grow on my eyelids, bro, and I'm just trying to live my life, you know what I'm saying? And it's hard to live your life if you got hair like on your actual eyelid. Like, it didn't happen, but I don't know, you just never know what's gonna happen out here in these streets. So you gotta be careful, and you gotta be ready for whatever. So I have my razor and stuff, so that way I could just make sure I'm not caught out here in these streets with hair on my eyelids, bro. Like, y'all don't understand the struggle. But anyway, getting this off, and one thing that I used earlier, I know that I don't think I said it, but anywho, the oil that I'm using on my face is castor oil. And the reason that I'm using castor oil is because it is pretty thick, so it helps me slide really good. And because this is a new razor, I don't want it to cut me or nothing, because I'm gonna be going pretty fast. But anywho, I just went ahead and washed my face off with some hot water, and this hot water is doing everything that I needed to do. I'm not really trying to get in there because I am about to get in the shower. Yes. So Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not drinking. This is the onion peel stuff that I made. So make sure you check the link in the description box below. I said description box. I wanted to, but something else came out. But anywho, check the link in the description box below so you can check out my last video where I use it on my hair, cleansing my scalp, all of that. So yes, this is the next day after that video that you are supposed to watch. And at this point, I am just taking my scarf off for the morning. I just got out the shower again. Oh Lord, that is the stuff that me and my daughter made, flaxseed gel, and it came out so good. I love flaxseed gel, like, and especially because now we on quarantine and everybody in the house and we ain't going to the store and stuff. Make your own flaxseed gel, girl. Like, I seriously have the recipe perfect now, and it is a little different than the video that I have. So what I'm gonna do on that video, I'm just gonna leave the difference in measurements and stuff in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But anywho, at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. I'm not gonna do like the full out, like full out, because I have another limb check coming for you really soon. I know I'm doing these limb checks every 5 minutes, but my hair is growing so fast and I really want to get it all recorded so we can have a record for the years to come. Yes, when we having fun. Yes. But anywho, like I said, it's going pretty fast and I really want to get another video up for you. So yeah, I really want you guys to pay attention to my black roots in all of these videos that are coming up. That is actually like one of the main reasons that I color my hair, other than me liking my hair this color. But it's one of the main reasons that I did color my hair, so you can see the length, so I don't have to keep pulling out measuring tape and like, oh look, it grew 2.5 centimeters. Oh look, it grew 1.2 milliliters, grams, whatever. That's weight. You know what I'm trying to say. Anywho, so at this point, like right there, you can kind of see, you know, what's going on behind the scenes and stuff. So I'm not gonna do anything too, you know, fancy, but I'll be back in a minute. In another quick minute. Okay, girl, so here we go. And at this point, I'm not necessarily like styling it because we're all in the house. Like, I'm not putting makeup and stuff on while we on quarantine because I just want to be real. Why would I do that? Y'all know that I'm not going nowhere. Why would I put on makeup for a video? I'm not putting on makeup for no video. I'm just not doing it. But I did put some edge control on just so I can control it and maintain it for myself, because I am gonna record some videos for y'all, but I'm not gonna be looking crazy, but I'm also not gonna be trying to look like Beauty Queen of Africa either. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put this scarf on. When I put the scarf on, I make sure that I push my hair up in the back and like move my hair out along the sides just so I can tie my edges down. Okay, and this is a day that I'm like walking around letting my hair dry, because remember, this is like first thing in the morning. So after this, I'm just gonna walk around, you know, with my hair and stuff and let it air dry while I clean up the house and get other stuff done, just in case. And because I'm not editing that out, I'm just not. And I have other videos. Make sure you check the links in the description box below, because I always get at least one comment like, oh, what's wrong with your underarms? Hydrogenated Super Ativa. Check the links in the description box below. Boom. So anywho, now I'm getting this scarf all, you know, together and get my curls out of the way, because I had a couple curls tucked like behind the thing and stuff. But yeah, I really hope that you guys are really taking advantage of all of the different hair growth recipes that I have on my blog, because as you guys can see just from my videos, they work. Now that is just the amount of hair that I have from this whole entire process, which you can see is not a lot to comb through my entire head, and that's all I have is a little bit of stubble. Yes, but remember, you are supposed to have shedding. You already know what I'm gonna say, so I'm not gonna say it again, but you all are supposed to have shedding. It is normal. It's a normal part of life. No, your hair is not supposed to fall out in big patches, but you are always going to have shedding. That's just how it goes. Make sure you check out the playlist on hair science left in the description box below, and in that playlist I go really deep about a whole lot of things, as well as on my other channel. Yes, so go check it out so you can have inches, okay? Inches around here, okay? And yeah. So I can assure you that after you watch this video, you will never throw away your onion skin again, ever. All of the amazing benefits that go into this smells like nothing. Now, a lot of you love onion juice and want to use onion juice for your hair growth, but using onion juice, like, who wants to walk around smelling like an onion girl? Is not cute. But there are just as many, if not more, benefits on the skin of the actual onion than there is in the flesh. And you don't taste anything. No more onion hair, no more onion breath, girl. Don't nobody want no girl smell like no onions, girl. That ain't cute. But like, oh yeah, that's my new girl. Who? Keisha, onion Keisha. You don't want to be onion Keisha. Don't be onion Keisha. Don't be onion Brie. Just use the skin with me. Let's go.